I can't believe it actually works. Like, this tiny camera actually films. Let's find out together if this tiny camera is a scam or not. Because why not? I have adult money. I can do whatever I want. I'm joking. I don't have enough. But anyways, I still have some to be able to try weird stuff like this I found on the internet. So welcome to today's episode of Unbox, Test and Review. Now this mini camera comes with a lens that is not detachable. You can't remove it. So it comes with a memory card here. Inside the slot, there's a memory card in it. And this is a USB-C charging port. This is the power on button. It also serves as the shutter button. And also this is the button to change the mode. This is the button to zoom in and zoom out. So let's try it out. So this is the screen here, and to start we just have to click here until we see it turn on. And now it has turned on. Ooh, you can actually see me. Can you see? Oh, it actually films. Now I'm taking pictures with it. And here you can change the mode. So if I click up, if I click down, it will change the color. You can see that it's changing the color of the images. I hope you're seeing it. So that's what this down button does. It just changes the color, and this zooms in, I think. So this would zoom in and zoom out. Are you seeing this? So this is the zoom in and zoom out button. It also has a lanyard hole, and with this you can put it in your key holder, you can hang it on your purse, you can just do cheeky stuff with it. Do you see this flashlight? This flashlight actually, ooh. Wow, I can see the dedication into making this look like a real camera. Look, now it's recording videos. I forgot to test that. It actually records videos. Can you see the timing? The red button that shows that it's actually recording a video right now. Oh my god. And how I was able to do that was to double click on this. So if you double click on it, it will switch to video. Let me see if it will switch to camera now. Yeah, now it has switched to camera mode. So you can see that if I click this, it just shows this mark, which means the picture has been taken. But if I double click, it starts recording a video. And this actually works. Let me zoom out so that's no, I think it's trying to set the timing, the date and time. I don't really care about those ones. This is so cute. I can't believe it actually works. Like, this tiny camera actually films. It actually works. Wow. But the problem is it's too zoomed in. Why is it so zoomed in? Hello everyone, how you doing? Are you doing okay? Bye. Now I want to take out the memory card so that I can see the footages I've taken and show you guys. Guess what? I just found out it's a 64GB memory card. Lucky me. I hope it actually is, because sometimes they be writing nonsense on the top of the SD card. But we'll find out. Wow, it's actually a 64GB. Look, I hope you can see it. It's actually a 64GB SD card. Wow. Okay, so thank God that was real. Now let's see the footages. Wow. It starts recording a video. It actually works. Clearly the camera quality is giving 320p as opposed to the 720p that was promised in the package. But anyways, I think it's okay. It's giving vintage. We just call it a vintage camera. I think it's just a fun camera to have, but if you're trying to get quality camera, do not buy this at all. It's just something fun to have as a key holder, as a gift, or as a prank. It's really affordable. You can get one on AliExpress. I'll leave a link in the description box. And if you're new here, my name is Jessica Okolie, and over here I make videos about AI, tech, content creation, and business. So if you're interested in any of this, do well to subscribe and give me a big fat thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.